how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So first of all guys, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search and type the United States. Here, type the United States, click on search and wait for it to load. And here, zoom in on the United States. Let's zoom in here, and we have choose whatever state you'd like to go for example. So here, let's for example zoom in on Michigan, or we can go to this place here. We have Vermont, New Hampshire, Concord, Saratoga Springs. Let's choose this one here, and let's zoom in on this city. Here we have this city, and then let's go to the search and let's type a some kind of a small business, for example like hair salons or auto repairs or plumbers. But before that, I'm going to explain or talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check their profile in Google Maps. If they don't have a website, we are going to offer to create the website for them. And if they already have the website, we are going to check if the website is up to date or not. If it's an old website, we are going to offer to renovate the website for them. Then we are going to move to the next service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And then the third service is offering to manage their social media accounts. So here, let's start by finding these small businesses. Let's start with plumbers. Let's wait for it to load, and here we have the plumbers. So we have a lot of plumbers in here. Let's choose a profile in here, but first pay attention to choosing the profile. Make sure to always choose the profiles with less than 150 reviews and with the ones with no sponsored written in the top of their profile. Like for example, like this one here, Routerman Plumber. So let's click on this profile and let's wait for it to load. They have 39 reviews and this is their website. So let's open the website and let's see if it's an up-to-date website or if it's an old one. So here, this is their website. It seems to be okay to me. It's not that very old and it's not also that up-to-date. They have some local coupons, and here these are their services, I guess, the customer feedback. So the website is well put together, so you can't offer any services to get towards the website. So let's close this and let's move on to the bad reviews removing. So here, as you can see, they have some 1-star reviews and a lot of 5-star reviews. So we are going to look for those 1-star reviews. That's what we are interested in. So let's scroll down here. We have a 5-star review. We are looking for the 1-star reviews. That's what we are interested in. So let's scroll down, wait for it to load here. Let's scroll down. Here we have the 3-star review. After I shut off the water intake and cleaned out the water, took out the old fill valve, flapper, overflow pipe and flush valve in the toilet. I tried to undo the screws under the tank, but they were pretty rusty. I did manage to unscrew one nut party. I don't think I can afford to use their service again. Thank you, Sharon, for the review and your feedback. So I don't think this is a bad review. Let's keep looking for the 1-star review. That's what we are interested in, and that's what is going to help us to convince those business owners to become our clients, because you can't convince them without having a problem or without mentioning a problem to them and coming with the solution. So the problem is the bad review, and the problem is the bad reputation that the review is going to give to their business, and the solution is our service. So here we have it, a 1-star review from 8 years ago. This company is a total rip-off. I was quoted over $300 to basically unscrew a small pipe and replace some plumber's tape around the seal. Crazy. I'm not dumb, and I surely don't like to be taken advantage of. I refused their services. So this is a bad review that we can use in order to create the problem for them and then give them the solution. So you can just, when you call them, you can say that this bad review is going to give their business a bad reputation. It's going to take clients away from them, and it's going to cost them a lot of money. And you can remove those kind of bad reviews for only $100 or $150 easily, without them even worrying about those bad reviews again. So after you land the client, if they pay you $100 or $150, you can just go to Fiverr.com. It's a platform where you can hire freelancers that are going to deliver the service instead of you, because as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill or you won't need to deliver any service yourself. You will just outsource the work to freelancers like this one here, who will do the job for only $25. And also the same thing with the website creation. If you find a profile that needs a website creation, you can just pay this freelancer again $80, and he will create the website for you without even lifting a finger. So that's it, guys, for today's method. The only thing I want you to do is to be disciplined and make sure to reach out to as many profiles as you can, and keep trying until you land your first client. But after that first client, it would be easier to get more clients after that. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.